Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, find clock and just click on it. Now you need to select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now you can set up an hour, and when you're done, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Then select alarm name, type wherever you want to, and go back. Now scroll down, click on the switches next to sound, vibration and snooze to disable or enable these features, and click on sound. You can pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. You can also click on sound, tap on add at the top right corner, and pick music from your device by tapping on the song that you want to set up and clicking OK over here. Now you can change volume of your alarm by swiping left or right, and when you're done, go back. Finally, you can click on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Lastly, go back and tap save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!